In the Windows 11 2023 update, Microsoft has rolled out several visual changes and enhancements for the taskbar and the start menu, making these experiences more valuable and customizable. Let's look at some of these changes. As part of the improvements, the taskbar context menu is gaining an end task option that allows you to terminate an application without the need to open the task manager or the settings app. This is really useful for non-responding applications that you would like to end. To enable this option, let's go to the taskbar and click on the Windows button. And now let's click on the settings. From the left-hand side, let's click on System and then scroll down and click on For Developers. Click the toggle switch on for End Task option. Now, the reason why this option wasn't enabled by default is because it was primarily designed for developers who are more likely to come across problems during the development process of applications. And finally, Microsoft has brought back the ability to show labels in every instance of an application in the taskbar. From the taskbar, click on the Windows button and go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar. Under the taskbar, Behaviors Settings, you will find the Combine Taskbar button and Hide Label settings to allow users to show labels in different ways, including Never, when taskbar is full, or Always. Also, the system offers a separate settings for tuning this feature on for other taskbar when using multiple displays. In this release, the taskbar is also introducing a redesigned volume mixer through the Quick Settings flyout. The updated interface now includes a modern mixer to change the audio level per app and the ability to change device output on demand. If the device is compatible, it's possible to turn on Windows Sonics or Dolby Atmos on or off from the Quick Settings flyout. For those of you who like shortcuts, the keyboard shortcut to open the volume mixer is Windows key plus Control plus V. On Windows 11, Cast is a feature that allows you to extend the display canvas to another monitor from another computer, external display, or a TV wirelessly. To cast your desktop, press the Windows logo key plus K keyboard shortcut. Another update is that you will notice the chat button is missing and no longer available from the taskbar settings, and that's because the experience is being replaced by Microsoft Teams Free Edition. You will also notice that the taskbar will also include the option to interact with the new Windows Copilot. Windows Copilot or Copilot is the new AI chatbot that Microsoft is building to replace Cortana on laptops, tablets, and desktop computers. If you like to see some of the cool Copilot's features, make sure to check out my video, which I have left the link to in the descriptions box. And finally, on the notification side of things, Microsoft is updating the bell icon in a few ways. For example, the icon will no longer show a counter for the number of unread notifications. Also, when there are no notifications, the bell icon will appear empty. And when you have no notifications, the icon will be colorized using the accent color of Windows 11. And those were the main taskbar and start menu updates I wanted to share with you in this video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below, and thank you for watching.